What does a higher fiscal deficit generally signify? Increased inflation, reduced borrowing, increased exports, decreased public debt. Increased inflation. Explanation. A higher fiscal deficit generally signifies increased inflation because it often leads to increased government spending without a corresponding increase in revenue. To finance this gap, the government might resort to 1. Borrowing from the central bank. This can lead to the central bank printing more money, which increases the money supply in the economy. An increased money supply without a corresponding increase in the supply of goods and services leads to demand pull inflation. 2. Increased borrowing. While this doesn't immediately print more money, it increases the demand for loanable funds. If the supply of loanable funds remains constant, interest rates rise. Higher interest rates, in turn, might discourage private investment, leading to a decrease in the supply of goods and services in the long run. This, combined with the increased government spending, can still lead to inflation. 3. Stimulating demand. The government spending financed by the deficit often increases aggregate demand in the economy. If the economy is already operating near its full capacity, this increased demand can outstrip the available supply, leading to demand pull inflation. Why other options are less suitable? It is the opposite. The deficit needs to be covered through borrowing. It has no direct or reliable relationship with the deficit. While borrowing contributes to it, the deficit itself doesn't directly decrease it. It just means the government has spent more than it has received in revenues.